Day 5 of the blackout. Last night someone tried your neighbor's door. Tonight it could be yours. Your Ring doorbell is dead. Your alarm system is offline. Your phone can't call 911. Every piece of security technology you paid for is now a useless piece of plastic on your wall. But here's the thing. Perimeter alarms existed long before electricity did. Soldiers, guerrilla fighters, and frontier settlers protected their camps with nothing but string, tin, and whatever they could scavenge. Today we're building one. It costs $2, it takes 5 minutes, and it will wake you up the second anyone steps onto your property. Here's what you need: a standard mousetrap, the wooden kind you can find in any garage, hardware store, or abandoned house. A few ring caps, the small paper caps that go in children's toy guns. A few small nails, some duct tape, and fishing line or any thin, strong string. That's it. In a grid-down scenario, your local abandoned store becomes your supply depot. Here's how it works. The mousetrap is your trigger mechanism. When the metal bar snaps down, it hits with serious force. We're going to put small nails in the base with ring caps on top. When the kill bar snaps down, it strikes the caps against the nail heads, and they pop. The result is a sharp, loud bang that carries through the silence of a blacked-out neighborhood. Step 1. Hammer 2 or 3 small nails into the base, directly under the spot where the kill bar slams down. The nail heads should stick out just above the surface. Step 2. Cut a small stripe from the ring caps roll and tape it to the wooden base right above the nail heads. Step 3. Tie your fishing line to the trigger pedal, the small metal plate where you'd normally put bait. Run the line out from the trap across the path you want to protect. Step 4. Anchor the mousetrap itself to something solid. Tape it, nail it, or wedge it firmly against a tree, a door frame, or a fence post. If the trap moves when the line pulls, it won't trigger cleanly. Step 5. Set the trap. Pull the kill bar back and lock it under the holding bar, just like you would for catching a mouse. The system is armed. Someone walks through your fishing line, the line pulls the trigger pedal, the bar snaps down, it strikes the ring caps against the nail heads, and bang. A few critical tips before you deploy this. First, placement matters more than the alarm itself. Don't put it in the middle of your yard. Look for choke points, a narrow gate, the gap between your house and the garage, the bottom step of your porch, the back door. Force the intruder to walk through your trap. Second, camouflage everything. Wrap the trap and the line in dark tape. If your fishing line is shiny, run a black marker down it. At night, nothing should reflect moonlight. You want this completely invisible. Third, this is an indiscriminate alarm. It goes off for anyone or anything that hits the wire. Dogs, cats, raccoons, your own family member walking to the outhouse at 3 a.m. Make sure everyone in your household knows exactly where these are set. Mark the safe paths. Fourth, these are one shot. Once it triggers, the caps are spent. You need to reset the trap and replace the caps. Keep extras ready. In a real scenario, set 2 or 3 of these at different entry points, so you always have backup. For $6, you can build 3 of these. One for the front gate, one for the back door, one for your supply cache. That is a layered defense. In a blackout, the people who sleep safely aren't the ones with the best locks. They're the ones who know someone is coming before they arrive.